Hi guys, welcome back. So in just a moment we're going to go through that Psoas stretch that we talked about. That's Psoas, P-S-O-A-S. That's one of the main hip flexors that brings our thigh towards our torso. Now unfortunately for a lot of us, because we're sitting typing at the desk all day, we spend a lot of time in that position, and therefore that muscle gets tighter and shorter over the years, which can lead to actually a lot of back problems down the road. So one of the main muscles you should make sure you're targeting is getting a nice stretch in that psoas in the hip flexor region. So there's lots of ways you can do this. If you don't have a bed or a bench that's around the right height for you, you can also look up ways to do this on the floor as well. But what we're going to show you right now is just one way to get in and start to stretch that psoas. Thanks a lot. Okay guys, so to stretch that psoas that we talked about, we're going to want to try out this position here. Now there's other ways you can do this. So if you don't have a bed or a mattress or something you can apply that's somewhere around your knee height, it's okay, you can do this on the floor as well. So what we want to do is take the back leg, we're going to get it up onto the bed, kind of get onto the top of the knee into the lower thigh there, and then bring the opposite leg forward, so you want a nice wide stance here, okay? I like to put one hand on my knee and then one hand on the bed or the bench here, okay? Now, as you squat down into that, you should start to feel a little bit of a stretch here in the front of the hip capsule, okay? So we also don't want to stretch down too far, and then you're going to lose that stretch here. Try to keep your back as upright as you can, but you don't want to feel any aches or pains in the back either. So go up as high as you can without causing pain in the back area. So somewhere about right here. Squat down into it, and if you want to get even a deeper stretch, you can slightly rotate the torso away, and that's going to give you even a little bit of more of a stretch there, okay? So same as the other exercises, we want to try to hold that at least 30 up to about 60 seconds, and we want to try to rotate and obviously hit both sides as well. So try to add this in with the other stretches that we showed you, and that'll make for a good daily routine to help keep the hips and the hip flexors and the lower back all nice and loose during this period. Thanks a lot. Take care. From Dr. Mike at Elite Spine Center.